So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you about the new feature of promote, and guys, in this video I will also tell how you can use the promote option in public stories. So friends, for this, first of all open your Snapchat application and then tap on your profile, and here, so guys, when you publish a story through your public profile, so when you open your story, our option you will get to see promote. So guys, in today's video I will tell you how you can use this option and exactly what is this option. So guys, as you tap on promote option, then this kind of page will be open. So friends, basically by using promote option, you can start a paid ads campaign, and by using paid ads campaign, you can get more followers, more views in your story, and also you can generate leads in your website. So friends, if you want to run paid ads in your public story, so as you tap on promote option, this kind of page will be open, and here you can select what's your motive. You can select more followers, more views, and after the selecting, then tap on next option, and here you can select the country. That means where you want to promote your public story. So as you select your country, then this kind of page will be open where you can select currency, what's your choose your audience. You can also select automatic, and if you want to create your own, here you can select gender of your audience, and also you can select age group. And friends, then you can select the budget. And friends, as you select the budget, here then you can select the duration of your ads. So guys, after reviewing all things, tap on review option, and as you tap on review option, here you can add your balance to run paid ads. So guys, if you want to run paid ads in to boost your Snapchat public story, so you can do. And if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe channel to get more interesting and latest videos like this.